Hello, so today I'm going to be demonstrating how to download fonts onto your PC or Mac. And I am on the website Teachers Pay Teachers. This is the website that I usually use to download my fonts. And I just typed in fonts in the search engine and I decided to go for Kimberly. So you pick whatever font you wish to download. And in this case, for the purpose of the video, I already downloaded this file. And once you pick your font, you download, and once it's downloaded, you open the file, and you get to pick. You can pick and choose your favorites, which ones you like the most, which ones you know you're going to be using, and for the purpose of this video, I already downloaded this one, KG All of the Stars, and I'm gonna be opening that on Word. So once you choose what the font that you want to download, you click on the font and you install font, and you see how I have a few of them that I had already downloaded. So now that I have this downloaded, I'm going to be using, let's see, I'm going to be using Word, and I open up my Word document. And if you are downloading the font while you have Word open, I don't recommend that because it doesn't show up on your Word right away. You have to exit out and then log back in. So as you can see here, I have, for the purpose of this video, I already have KG All the Stars, and I have my font. So this is a cool way to just, if you want to print it out and hang on your walls, or just, like I said, add some cool fonts to your PowerPoint. It makes it really fun, and it's a good way to spice up your presentations as well. So I hope this video demonstrated how to download fonts in an easy, clear way. Thank you.